worth it for land.
Many indigenous customs include body paint, ceremonial song and dance, and epitomizing nature. And what is that?
Music. You try.
Can you go in this water? So this specially crafted stick.
You come with me. We go nature tour.
Nature tour.
Nature.
Where are we going?
With me. You learn so many things. You learn everything there is to know. Ever.
This is plant for hiding from enemy. Untitled plant.
Try to do. Great. And so you just hide behind it? It's just a...
Every plant has a purpose. You celebrate all the plants every day. Yes, you take many of these, you make umbrella. You stay away from earth elements, water, rain, wind. It holds very good against wind.
Oh, yes, yes. Just as I suspected. Come close. Come close. Oh, yes.
What is that?
Yes. When ant of sun, kumo,
Fire ants.
bite,
They attack.
they attack, they come. Take some of this off. With the green, because what is green? Green is nature. Green is everything that is good. You rip up and you take Culaminé.
Grind. So you grind
into
up the
paste.
Culaminé plant
Culaminé.
to protect from fire ants. Is what I'm gathering here.
Put the-
Curative man.
Paste. You say, Kool-Aid. Show you all. What's that?
Oh, this plant. This is called the Squirrel Plant. From the plant comes an animal named Squirrel. And one day, the plant bursts this animal. And we can eat it. We wait. Ready to attack whenever it comes. No.
What's happening, Shaman? No, don't worry. Is that one problematic? This one right here, Shaman, it's a little squirrel.
No, this little evil squirrel. This
Like, is it like a refrigerator from where I come from?
Plants are almost like animals, you see. All the plants, they are brothers here in the Amazon. Never-ending source of sustenance.
You. Why are you leaning so? Say, Shaman, come here for a moment.
I am not Shaman!
Shaman, just come here. I have a question for you.
My name is not Shaman.
What is your name then, Shaman?
You call me Monishi.
Alright, Shaman, I don't really know if I can pronounce...
Monishi!
Alright, whatever,
Monishi.
Shaman. Shaman, I just have a question about this plant, Monishi.
Is it dead? Is it dead? Look, it's brown.
Oh, no,
Oh,
no.
look, it's so brown.
Brown
It's a
there
little
too.
brown.
Look,
These
look,
are
my
hanging.
child. Look, brown everywhere. Color's fine.
Limp,
Very
we're limping, we're
Oh, no, when the sun comes through, they lift their little bodies and... Why do you insist on calling me Shaman?
Is this a poking plant? What does this do? Is it dead? Look, that's
No,
like
no,
two.
no. This is plant of entertainment. Just watch it. Just watch.
What does it do, Shaman?
What do you mean? What does it do? Look at it. It's waving. It's got fingers.
Who's a pretty little plant? You guys are. You're just such pretty... Who you talk to?
Was too quick. Next time, it's okay. Continue. See how it comes? That's how we make our orange paste.
Oh, this is where you get your orange from.
Yes, yes.
Like a marigold.
There are many birds. We try again. Birds are fast.
The crazy panther is the king of the jungle. It is the strongest, swiftest animal that exists. She's trying to find it. She's trying. Oh, the panther wants nothing to do with me. Maybe another time. Obviously, this Amazonian nature fellow is not as familiar with animals as nature itself. Oh, okay. So what's for dinner tonight, Shaman? 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 That was the last time I ever saw Shaman. After that, I was stranded, alone, in the Amazon, only with the limited knowledge Johnny Shaman gave me. But he never told me where the bathrooms were. What's that noise? Oh. This must be another Amazonian tribe, probably the Cubilicondobres. Oh yes, here they are. Oh, hello. Hi.